Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I will explain to you how to unlink or not to unlink actually your Steam account from your Rockstar or vice versa. So basically there are quite a bit of videos on YouTube that are actually clickbait and that are not actually doing anything. So for example, if you go to how to unlink Rockstar Social Club from Steam account, and you can read the comments, you didn't explain how to unlink, no option to unlink, permanently linked, it's something I will show you now. This is for Xbox, not Steam. So basically a clickbait video, and as you can see there's a person here. What you need to do is write a ticket to Rockstar support. They will give you the info about what you need to do and what this action means for your account. After that you need to wait for approximately 30 days, and basically people are saying that it's really not possible. So there's a guy at the very bottom here literally waiting and waiting and nothing's happening. So basically what this means, if you go to your settings, just click on here, then click account and go to settings, and basically then go to linked accounts. And as you can see, this is my Steam account right over here, and if you click on info, as you can see it says Steam accounts are permanently linked to Rockstar Games accounts, so you can just contact customer support. So you actually cannot unlink your Steam account from your Rockstar because they are permanently tied together. You may try unlinking it if you want, if that's something you really want to do, by writing them a ticket into their support and then waiting, and then maybe something will happen. But in general, doing it by yourself by clicking some kind of button is not available, and that's basically something you have to know, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope I cleared out some of the misconceptions about this topic, and if I helped you, press the like button. I will see you very soon.